So, hello everyone, I come back with another topic, that is national income and factors determining the national income. National income and its, you can call it as determinants and its determinants and its determinants. So, let's see first what is national income. National income is the total market value of all final goods and services that are produced in a country during a year or a particular year, that is called as national income. You can take down from here. National income is the total market value of all final goods and services produced in a country during a year is called as national income. So, let's see what are the determinants of national income which are contributing income to the national income. Let's see some of the determinants of national income. First, see here I can write determinants of national income. First one, natural resources. The national income here I can write this. The natural resources is a determinant of national income. The natural resources is a determinant of national income. The natural resources which you can take, the natural resources like forest, mines, coal, etc. etc. which are getting or obtained from the nature or somewhat to extent is contributing to the national income of our country is called as natural resources. Next, see the second one, labor. The number of laborers engaged in different occupations in the process of production. Their work and efficiency of the laborers is contributing towards national income. Here you can say that the number of laborers are engaged in different occupations in different work in the factory or industry, they are somewhat at extent they are engaged in process of production, which production leads to increase in the growth of an economy, and somewhat it is extent of contributing to the income to the national income. That's why here labor is taken as another determinant of an demand, another determinant of a national income. Let's see the third one. Let's see the third one, which is capital. Capital is the key determinant whereas the country has high capital, which leads to huge contribution to national income, where the capital supply is high. Supply is high, and the capital supply which an application in the process of production is a key point which leads to contributing to the national income. Capital is a key determinant, whereas the country has high capital which leads to huge contribution to the national income, whereas the supply of capital is very high which leads to an application in the process of production in a good way, and that leads to increase in the production, such leads to increase in growth of a economy, and overall development is possible, then the national income of a country will be higher. The third determinant. Let's see the fourth. Technology and innovation. The advancement in the process of production, which improves the efficiency and leads to increase in the production, it is another determinant of national income. That is the advancement, the improvement in the technology which leads to increase the efficiency, and due to that the production will be increases, the production which contributes to the economic development, and it possible to has a higher national income in a country. Let's see the fifth one, political stability. If there is a good governance, it attracts more investors, which leads to high investment, it can possible to increase the income of a country. In the political stability, if there is a good governance, if there is a proper governance, which is leads to attracts more investors in a country, which leads to an investment and which can increase our income of the country. It is another determinant. Let's see another one. Foreign trade. I can rub this. Foreign trade. Foreign trade means basically exports. Exporting the goods from our country to the other countries, which is called as foreign trade. The trade between the countries is called as foreign trade. Exporting the goods, which leads to increase in foreign income. It is another determinant. There are many determinants of national income, but these are enough for 5 marks. Mostly it is going to ask for 5 marks only. Foreign trade, the exporting the goods, which leads to increase in income of foreign exchange, foreign income to our country, is called as foreign trade. These are the 6 determinants of national income. There are many more, but these are enough for us. Thank you. Before leaving the channel, please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Here in this channel I can upload, I can discuss, I can analyze the previous year question papers, I can post you important notes, and I will teach all of those only important topics which can be for sure asked in your board exams. Thank you. That's all for the day.